but that's the traditional Fijian greeting. And I think it's just so happy when you step in. You're like, Bulan! It's like immediately you just, there's a big smile plastered in your face from the minute you say that. I don't know what to really say. I can tell you my personal experience with Fiji. The first time I went to Fiji, I was looking for a place to go on holiday. And I'm not saying this because I'm the brand ambassador of Fiji, but genuinely, I was looking for a private place, and I love going to the beach, I love the seaside, and Fiji really called out to me. I was like, this looks like a nice place, let's try it out. And like probably any other tourist, I booked my holiday, my tickets and everything, and it was an amazing experience. This is the first time I've gone on holiday and I've cried the last day. I genuinely broke down and started crying because I said, I don't want to go home, I love this place. And I think what makes a holiday, or wherever you go, like for a vacation, what makes it so special are the people. The place is beautiful, I mean, you've seen it, it's absolutely gorgeous. And Ronak, you did an amazing job, but in person, it just takes your breath away even more. So you have to be there to witness how amazing it is. But I think what made it more special for me were the Fijians. They were so lovely. They take care of you. I had a Fijian mama who took care of me, and her name was Ellie, I think if I'm not mistaken. But there's just a genuine sort of interest, and they want to actually make you feel at home, and you feel like you're at home. You have such a big Indian community there. The first time I had this community kava ceremony, we all sat together as a family, and we had kava. And then we started singing songs, and before you know it, they were singing Rishi Kapoor songs, from the 80s, and I was like, what? So I love that, I think Indians would really resonate. It's a place where you can go and feel like you're abroad and having a lovely time, but also feel really close to home. You have amazing Fijian food. I think the logo, we talk about it a lot. This is amazing oven, and I was talking about this during the radio interview, which is why we got really hungry. But there's so many aspects. There's Fijian curries, there's so many things about Fiji that just make me super homesick, which is why I've been saying it for so long. I'm super homesick, I can't wait to go back, and I think you would love it. And I think it's a place that is not explored as much, and you will love going there. It's a memory that will stay with you for your whole life, and it's so worth it. So please go and try all the crazy things I did, because it's really, really, really fun. So yeah, I mean, if there's anything else to add, I don't really know. There's so much more, but it's more about the feeling about being in Fiji, which is why we call it Bula happiness in a way, because you go there and you're genuinely happy. The only time you're not happy is when you're leaving. But that's about it. I mean, it is my second home. I love it, and I cannot wait to go back there, genuinely. Thank you.
माइक्स आप लेके जाएंगे?
हाँ बाद में
Yeah, मैं start from here.
Right side. Yeah, second.
मैम center. यहाँ पे.
ले मैम center यहाँ पे. ले मैम
center.
मैम यहाँ. ले ना मैम.
मैम center. यहाँ जी. Sorry.
ले ना मैम.
हाँ बस
ले ना right side मैम.
यहाँ left.
Okay.
यहाँ जी.
ले ना right side.
यहाँ ये.
वो वाला. बता.
मैम center.
चलो क्वेश्चन शुरू करते हैं.
What is this? Bubble? Bollywood bubble. Bubble.
कोई माइक देना चाहता है?
Who else?
फोटोग्राफ हो गए? हो गया फोटोग्राफ. चल एक पिक्चर.
Pictures.
एक सेकंड चाहिए आपको ड्यूटी में. फोटोग्राफ. Want to call the partners also right now, Sima? Yeah. Left side. It's wired. मोबाइल भी आ रहा है। Yes. Thank you so much.
आजा बुल्ला
In a minute, I'll finish this. Yeah. Roll it. हाँ हाँ रोलिंग है.
इलियाना जी सबसे पहले कांग्रेचुलेशन.
Thank you.
आप इस तरह से फीजी या किसी की भी मैं बात करूँ टूरिज्म को प्रमोट करते हैं तो क्या टेक होता है आपका, क्या फील करती हैं आप एज एन एक्टर, एज एन ह्यूमन बीइंग?
I think फ़िजी की बात अगर मैं करूँ genuinely, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि the first time I went there I felt like I was going home, you know. I genuinely felt so happy going there, and I feel कि जब उन्होंने बात की मेरे से to do a promotional campaign with tourism, I was like definitely, it's like as though it's like a dream job in a way, you know. So I definitely love the place. Abhi, I hope you like the video. I think it's really beautiful, and it's an amazing place, you know. और ज़्यादातर लोग नहीं जाते हैं वहाँ पे, and I don't think people know also कि इतनी बड़ी Indian community है वहाँ पे. So I think in a way it really is like a second home, you know, a home away from home.
वीडियो में हम देख रहे हो कितना एंजॉय किया आपने.
बहुत जी बहुत
मेमोरी वहाँ की
बहुत सारी मेमोरीज है. ऑनेस्टली मैं एक मेमोरी चुन नहीं सकती हूँ क्योंकि इतनी सारी मेमोरीज. इट्स लाइक it's hard to pick, you know. I mean, जैसे कि गार्डन की बात करूँ तो it was really lovely with those little kids, you know. They're really nice and really sweet, and on the beach, you know, doing surfing and subwaying and sea scooter. इतने सारे activities है which I've never even heard of before. So I love that I got to try out so many things, and I became a little bit of an adventure junkie.
एंड वहाँ की जो लैंग्वेज आपने बताया बुल्ला.
जी हाँ, तो बुला की जैसे कि हम नमस्ते बोलते हैं and like hello, so it's pretty much like that. तो फीजी में आप बुला बोलते हैं. Yeah, बुला.
और क्या क्या सीखा वहाँ से लैंग्वेज में? अगर मैं बात
लैंग्वेज की बात अगर मैं करूँ तो थैंक यू इज़ विनाका.
विनाका
और दूसरा क्या है? सोतोताले इज़ सी यू लेटर. या कि मैं डेफिनेटली वापस जाने वाली हूँ.
जी बिल्कुल. हम आई होप कि हम आपको स्पॉट.
यस, आई होप आप चले हमारे साथ.
एंड जब ट्रैवलिंग करना कितना पसंद है इंडिया में?
बहुत ही पसंद है. आई थिंक द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट ट्रैवलिंग की लंबी लंबी फ्लाइट में आप अपना फ़ोन ऑफ कर सकते हो. ईमेल्स नहीं है, मैसेजेस नहीं है, फ़ोन कॉल्स नहीं है. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग.
एंड जो आपका गेटअप है वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है.
थैंक यू.
अटायर गेटअप सब बहुत
Thank you.
आप कुछ बताइए इसके बारे में अगर आप थोड़ा सा बता सकें.
क्या बताऊँ? I have a great stylist, great makeup and hair team with me, and genuinely मैं जिस space में हूँ personally, professionally बहुत खुश हूँ, and I love that I'm doing work that I love, so yeah, I'm very happy.
और हेयर स्टाइल भी वहाँ की है, थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंट है.
वहाँ की है नहीं, मतलब शायद ऐसे ही समझ लो. वेकेशन हेयर स्टाइल शायद.
अपकमिंग कुछ प्रोजेक्ट अगर आप शेयर कर सकें.
मैंने एक्चुअली
देखिए आपकी बहुत ही अच्छी है.
Thank you.
आपको बहुत बड़ा फैन.
थैंक यू. स्वीट, थैंक यू. अभी फ़िलहाल मैंने साउथ में एक फिल्म साइन किया है, एंड इट्स बिन 6 साल के बाद आई एम डूइंग अ फिल्म देयर, सो इट्स वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट. एंड आई थिंक वो शायद सितंबर एंड या अक्टूबर की बिगिनिंग में रिलीज़ होने वाली है, सो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. वेरी एक्साइटेड.
टैगलाइन भी है वेयर हैप्पीनेस.
वेयर हैप्पीनेस फाइंड्स यू.
तो जो लोग बहुत ही अपसेट रहते हैं उनको कुछ बताइए कि आप यहाँ जाइए और हैप्पीनेस आपको मिलेगा.
आई डेफिनेटली थिंक सो, बिकॉज वहाँ के जो लोकल लोग इतने खुश रहते हैं, इतना मतलब देखभाल करते हैं आपके. दे टेक केयर ऑफ़ यू. इफ़ यू आर सिक दे विल रियली कम एंड बी केयरफुल, गिव यू सूप. इट्स लाइक जब मैंने पहली बार गई थी वहाँ पे, आई हैड अ मामा, लाइक आई सेड, लाइक मेरी ऐसी फीजियन मम्मी थी, एंड शी रियली टुक केयर ऑफ मी, सो आई थिंक honestly, वहाँ के जो लोग हैं, there's a lovely Fijian lady here also. You can see how happy they are, and because they love what they do, they're always singing and dancing and whatever they're doing. जो भी काम करते रहते हैं, even hotel के जो staff रहते हैं, they're always happy. So I think if you are going through a really bad phase, I think Fiji is the place for you. Or even if you're not going through a bad phase, Fiji is the place for you.
I wish कि हम जल्दी जाएंगे.
बिल्कुल जाएंगे.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
बुला. एक
I'm looking hot as hell.
The partners are thinking like each other.
So I was standing up on stage, I said, "Our face will be so happy."
Can I request everyone to
Shut up.
no more than the media, I have to request the partners. Media, please wait. I would request all the media persons, please wait. It's another 15-20 minutes.
Yes.
हो गया?